Good afternoon to the Kringo community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olon Oluwanyidi, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer within the Kringo community and one of the many voices of TBC around the world. You are welcome once again. Now, guys, for as many who are yet to register for their car game, please, the day is ticking. Next Monday is the last day. Go and do the registration. Guys, for you to be able to earn 100% commission on all your referrals for lifetime, you need to update this. Log into your clinical back office, click on the menu, click on the marketing, then click on the play and earn. Then you will see the car and the farm wall. Click on the car, then it will bring you to the place. 100% commission. Just this is free. You don't need to, even if your account is not active, you can go ahead and do that. Go ahead and do the registration. Then you simply do what? You simply click on the link, that blue link here, and it will bring you here. All you need to do is you simply put in your email, your password, repeat your password, and you click sign up. Once you do that, you are done. And don't forget, there will be a pop-up giving you your username. Guys, note it, write it down, save it. That is your username that will be always used to log in. Anytime you want to log in, when you come to this page, just there's a link here, just click login up, put your username, your password, then you log in, then you gain access to it. Guys, this is a quick one, but guess what? For you to be able to earn 100% commission on all your referrals for lifetime, you just need to complete this registration as sign up as soon as possible. By the end of this month to be over. Once you do it after that, then you will only be entitled to 50% commission. So for you to entitle to 100% commission, do that right now. Thank you very much, guys. Be fast about that before the month runs out. Thank you. Tell this to all your referrals. Everyone should do it. Even without being active, they can have access to the marketing area, to where the play and end game is, and they can also do the updating, even without being active for now. So, guys, do that. Thank you. Till I come away again, bless you all.